In this video, I will guide you that how can you create a new dashboard on Zoho Analytics. So first of all, open the Zoho Analytics web page. So this is the official website of Zoho Analytics. So first thing you need to do is sign up. If you're not signed in, you need to tap on this profile icon and just need to write your email ID and password. And after login, you need to tap on access Zoho Analytics. Now wait for a few moments. So this is the home page. Okay. So to create a new dashboard, you need some data. So how can you export or import that data? You need to simply tap on this icon and choose new table/import data. Simply tap on it. So here you can see there are multiple options to import your data. You can choose any source from where you want to bring your file, like your computer cloud storage or any connected app. So for an example, here simply tap on browse and select the file that you want to upload. Okay. So I already have my data uploaded, so I'm not going to import it again. Let's go straight to the Explorer section now. Here you can see the dashboard option. Simply tap on it and then click on create a new dashboard. So here is our dashboard. Now you can simply drag and drop any content or report that you have imported into the space. Once you are done arranging everything, just click on save and your dashboard will be ready. For example, here my content, I can simply drag it and drop it here in the dashboard. Even if you have not added anything yet, you can still click on add component and choose what you want to display. Okay. Also from here you can add another tab too, and that's it. Your dashboard is ready. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.